what's the difference between engineered flooring and solid hardwood? That is a great question, and a question I get asked all the time when I'm dealing with somebody who wants hardwood. So, solid is very, very popular for people who have transplanted here from up north. Everybody thinks there's one type of hardwood, and that's solid because where they came from, they had wood subfloors. With wood subfloors, you don't have the moisture that you have down here in Florida with the moisture coming up through the slab. Where up north they have plywood subfloors typically, and because of that, solid hardwood is very, very easy to maintain and have up there without any issues. So here I have a solid hardwood, just to make it simple. Solid hardwood, I'm showing the side here so you can see that the hardwood is solid all the way through from top to bottom. It's just one solid piece of wood. So you have engineered hardwood. Engineered hardwood is made up of plies, showing you two different thicknesses here, two different plies. So what you see is a plied core board in both these applications, and then this is your wood top layer. Here you have a very thick real wood top layer, and then here it has a little thinner. This very top layer is the only part of the wood that's actually, they call that the veneer, which is the top wearing surface. So you can see with both these products, there would be a substantial price difference, but you get what you pay for. But what the biggest difference is with our concrete slabs, the moisture comes up from that concrete slab and it changes the core. So what happens is those plies, getting moisture from the slab, expand and contract. Well, it allows the wood to expand and contract in two different directions because it's ply. Think of it like plywood. So it allows the product to move. Where with solid hardwood, what happens when that big thick piece of wood expands, it only goes the length of the plank. So what happens is with moisture, if you glue it down, because these products are glued to the concrete slab, what happens is it grows out and then it pops off your floor. So it's not an ideal solution or product for a Florida home. The only way to get around that is to put a plywood subfloor down and then install or glue your solid hardwood to the top. You create a lot of different problems with that, with height, because now you made your floor very high. And it's so if you're coming up to another surface, such as ceramic tile, maybe in a bathroom, it is not the ideal solution. Baseboard heights, door heights, all are impacted. These are products for the people from up north that aren't familiar with them. These are the products that are used down here, and you know, they have a big range in price because of the thickness, the quality, the width of the plank, the more mature the tree, the wider the planks come from older trees than a narrower plank, and that influences the price of a hardwood. So all these are information you need when you are shopping for hardwood, and it really depends on your budget and the look that you want and the style you want for your home.